Yo, what's up everyone? Today we're talking about how to get unlock code for Samsung. If you locked your Samsung and you need to enter our unlock code, I have a great tutorial for you. As you can see, Unlocker++, this application is actually installed in my device. And now, how to get your unlock Samsung code? All you need to do, we must enter our IMEI number of our locked phone. Okay, and the next step is press generate, and now as you can see everything is generated. After finish, our unlock code for Samsung will be displayed absolutely for free. As you can see everything is work. Now I have my unlock code absolutely for free. So if you need your unlock code, you need this application. This application works for all models of Samsung. So how to get Unlocker++ application for your Android on iOS device? It's easy. Open browser, go to this website, as you can see, Zeno app, scroll down or type this, the Unlocker++, press install. Now wait to finish this process. The last step is human verification. It's important and required. Follow all instructions after complete every step. From this verification, Unlocker++ application will be installed in your device and you will get unlock your all models from Samsung. Generate unlock code absolutely for free. This is awesome. As you can see, everything is work. So enjoy and thank you for watching.